Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Adrienne Keyser, and as always, I'm so glad that you're here to join me. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I break down my makeup and do a nice self-care routine. Some of the items that I will be using today, I'm testing for the very first time, so I'm very excited about that. And some of the items are my tried and trues that I've been using for years, and you'll get to see exactly what I do in order to pamper my skin and keep it nice and healthy and glowing. I do try to take care of it as best I can, drinking lots of water. And I will say that I have been a little lax on my skincare routine in the past few weeks, but we're gonna rectify all that today, testing out some new products. If this is your first time here, I do hope that you will subscribe to my channel. And if you would like to see how I break down my makeup and do a nice self-care routine, then please keep watching. The first part of taking off my makeup is my lashes. And if you saw my previous video, which I will link in the description box, I do have a little quick tip for you. When you do remove your lashes and you're going to put them back in the container that they come in, I always take a little marker and put on the back exactly how many times I've worn these particular lashes. I've worn these twice already, so I'm going to put my little mark there for 3, so that way I will know exactly how many times I've worn those lashes. So of course you always take them off carefully, and I always peel the glue off. You want to take as much of the glue off the lashes before you put them back in. So I'm just going to do both of these really quick, and I'll be right back. Now that you've removed as much glue from your lashes as possible, you want to make sure you're putting them back in the containers. This way they will maintain their shape, they'll maintain that curve, they will last you quite a few wears. Put them back in the container. Put the lid back on. You've already got your little mark on the back. You're good to go. The next step in removing my makeup is not the new, the latest, the greatest. I have been using the same product for decades, and it is my go-to product. It always breaks my makeup down no matter what. If it's waterproof, it will take it off, I promise you. Pond's Cold Cream. Why are you buying expensive balms and the latest? Pond's Cold Cream. It's been on the market for 1,000 years for a reason. Because it works. I always buy the biggest jars that I can find. This will do it. This will do it, I promise. This is not going to be pretty, people. You just want to get it and start rubbing it in. And you can actually see it. Here, I'll zoom you in. You can see it breaking everything down. I just get a wipe. And take it off. Look at that. One swipe. A liquid lipstick. Gone. And that's it. I mean, look at that. I'll zoom in even closer. And broke it all down. Fabulous. Get another wipe. go over the same areas, and you can see how much less there is left. Now, if you really want to see how this product works, we're gonna do the eyes. And I was wearing mascara, I had on liquid liner, I had it all on today. This is when it doesn't look pretty. There you go. One eye done. Then I just go back with that white. Look at that. All the mascara. All the waterproof mascara. Gone. See that? Come on, people. Couple bucks at Target. And that's it. All off. Now I'm going to do this other eye off camera, and I'll be back to do the next product. Up is all removed at this point. Now, of course, my skin is not clean. I've just basically removed the first layer of my makeup from my skin. And for all my environmentalists out there, I know you're probably concerned about me using makeup wipes. I haven't gotten any of those makeup erasers just yet, but I only use 2 wipes. But as you can see, it did take off everything on these 2 wipes. I mean, Pond's Cold Cream is the best. All right. Next product I'm super excited about. I've had it for a while. I just did an unboxing not long ago on this particular item, the Fenty Beauty. I did get the starter pack, and in the starter pack it is the starter set, excuse me. This is the Fenty Skin starter set. It's got the total cleanser, the fat water, and the Hydra Visor, which is the cleanser, toner, and moisturizer. Now, we're not going to use the moisturizer today because it is SPF, it is the evening, and we've got other things to use instead. So we're not going to use that, but we are going to use the cleanser and the toner. So right now I'm going to start with the cleanser. 45 mils, 1.52 fluid ounces. And a lot of people have done reviews on it. I'm really excited to try it. This is what the packaging looks like. It's very pretty, soft lavender. You just twist it and it comes out. I didn't realize that. I thought you opened the whole cap. So that's what it looks like. Let's see. Oh yeah, now I smell it. That smells good. I don't know, it's like Christmas cookies it reminds me of. I don't know why. Maybe I'm just fiending for that scent, but that's what it smells like. So let's see what it says. Total cleanser, hyper clean, soft skin without stripping or drying, daily cleanser and makeup remover in one. So use day and night to remove makeup, dirt, and impurities. Wet skin, work into a lather, rinse, pat dry. Follow with the fat water. Yeah. All right. I got a nice bowl of warm water and a white washcloth so we can see just how much product we can get off the skin with this gorgeous Fenty product. All right, so I'm just going to wet my skin a little. And then we're going to apply. Working it into a lather. little bit more came off. I do like to cleanse my skin twice just to make sure all products are off, and this does feel good, but I am gonna go in with one more, and I'm gonna speed you through that. Before I do the second wash, I did want to say that I changed the water in the bowl so it's nice and clean, and also got a new clean white washcloth. So here we go. Alright, good job. Good job, Fenty. My skin feels like butter. It feels super duper soft. It does feel a little bit tight, just a little bit tight, nothing crazy, but just something to note, but it does feel very soft. Zoom you in. See if you can see just how clean my skin looks. Wow, definitely impressed with that. I feel like it really got into those pores, minimized them, and cleaned it really nicely. Very happy with that product. I have another new product that I'm really excited to try. My very best friend, my sister, brought me an amazing birthday gift, and this is called the Majestic Pure Cosmecticeucals Cosmecticeucals Moroccan Red Clay Mask, and this is what it comes in. Amazing. It says Moroccan Red Clay Mud Mask with British Rose. Exceptional face mask for all skin types, especially for dull, acne-prone, and sensitive skin. Moroccan Red Clay Mud contains high mineral content, vitamins, and other nutrients to nourish skin while gently reducing impurities. There we go. Okay, so it says apply an even layer to face and neck, avoiding the eyes and mouth areas, blah blah blah, basically to cleanse it off. All right, so I'm going to open it up. It's so pretty, the packaging. Totes adorbs. So let's open it up. Oh, so cute. And it does come with a little spatula. Love that. And okay. It doesn't have a strong scent to it. This is what it looks like. It's nice and creamy. I wasn't expecting it to be so creamy. Pretty. Yeah, I don't smell anything, but we're gonna just get this on here. Actually, what I'm gonna do is scoop it and put it on my hand so I can apply it like that. That way we aren't double dipping. The mask is on. I'm going to let this sit on my skin. Hold on. It's 9:17 at the moment, and I am going to let this sit. Now, it says 20 minutes. I'm sure I will probably leave it on for an hour, maybe longer. We shall see. The way that I do mud masks, I feel it's really important for it not to just dry, but also to pull those oils from deep down in your pores and bring them to the surface. So what I usually do is I let the mask go completely dry and leave it on there, and then when I see a bunch of oil coming back through the mask, then I know all that oil has been pulled out and it's now come to the surface so that I can cleanse it off the skin. I know it says 20 minutes, but trust me, if you do this trick, it will change your life. I promise you. Unless you have insanely sensitive skin, which I don't, thank goodness. I try to leave it on as long as I can bear. Now, that being said, this is a new product, so we shall see. If it starts to itch or feel weird or start to burn, then of course I will definitely take it off, but we'll see what happens. So I will come back when I'm ready to take it off so you can see what it looks like.